Here's a list of powers of 2, starting with 2 squared and decreasing the exponent by 1 each time. Let's find the value of these powers. 2 squared is 4. 2 to the first power is 2. Notice that by decreasing the exponent by 1, the value becomes half of the previous value. Using that pattern, we can find the value of 2 to the power of 0. Half of 2 is 1. Therefore, 2 to the power of 0 is 1. What about 2 to the power of negative 1? If you find half of 1, you get 1 half. Do it one more time to find 2 to the power of negative 2. It would be 1 half times 1 half, which is 1 half squared. This pattern holds for any real number as the base, giving us the following rules. Any real number to the power of 0 equals 1. And when a number has a negative exponent, you can move the power to the denominator of the fraction and change the negative exponent to a positive exponent. Let's rewrite the expression without using a fraction bar, using the rules of exponents. To move any factor up or down the fraction bar, we simply change its exponent to its opposite. For example, in the expression 2c over a to the power of 8, to eliminate the fraction bar, we move the power of a in the denominator to the top of the fraction by changing its exponent to its opposite sign. Thus, we get 2ca to the power of negative 8. Next, we have x to the 7th power over y squared z cubed. Let's move y squared to the top by changing its exponent to its opposite, making it y to the power of negative 2. Similarly, let's move z cubed to the top by changing the exponent from 3 to negative 3. Since we did not move the power of x, it remains the same. Now that everything is on top of the fraction, we can remove the fraction bar. The answer is x to the power of 7, y to the power of negative 2, z to the power of negative 3. Let's simplify and write the expression using only positive exponents. We have 7m to the power of negative 3 times m to the power of negative 1. Using the rules of exponents, we can multiply powers with the same base by adding their exponents. We get 7m to the power of negative 4. Since the instructions specify using only positive exponents, we need to move the power of m to the denominator of the fraction, changing its exponent from negative 4 to positive 4. Notice that the 7 remains on top of the fraction because it doesn't have a negative exponent. Therefore, we get 7 over m to the power of 4. Next, we have 5k to the power of negative 2 over k to the power of 5. Remember, a fraction bar means division, and we can divide powers with the same base by subtracting their exponents. Negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7. To rewrite this expression with only positive exponents, move the power of k to the bottom of the fraction, changing its exponent from negative 7 to positive 7. The 5 remains on top. Therefore, we get 5 over k to the power of 7. Now it's your turn. Grab a pencil and a sheet of paper if you can, and give it a shot. I'll be revealing the answers in just 10 seconds, so pause the video and test your skills.